Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing how to replace the cartridge inside a single handle shower faucet. The way you know it's the cartridge and not the diverter is if it's got like a steady drip that happens even when the tub or shower hasn't been used recently. So like check it first thing when you wake up, and if it's dripping, it's probably that. But the first thing we're going to do is take off this little thing here. Some of them have like a hole down here and you use an Allen wrench, but this one has that, and then inside there's a screw. So I'll be removing that one-handed. Oops. Okay, and the water's already off, I should mention. Gotta turn the water off for this. So then just pull on this really hard until it comes off. And then we need to remove this thing. I'm gonna use a tool. So we're left with this. Remove this pin. Whoops, this pin. It will, if you break this pin, it doesn't come with the new one, so be very sure not to forget that step. Okay, and then you can grab the stem and pull it out. Usually you'll be able to pull it out on your own, and if it's not coming out right away, which can be the case if it's been in there for a really long time, you'll want to use a special tool called a core puller, which looks like this. And you just if you look at the package, it's pretty easy to figure out how it works. You just put it on and crank the handle until the thing comes out. But I'm going to use this because it actually already had this one out earlier today, so it'll come out easily. There. So this is our cartridge, and it says on it Moen, and there's a number here. Whoops. But this is actually not the model number. So if you take the piece into the store, they can match it up with a new one. So where is my new one? Hang on a sec. One thing I forgot to mention is when you take that out, pay attention to like distinctive markings to show which side was up. Like if it says, you know, the Moen name is up, or like there's some different markings on the bottom. Because if you put it in upside down, you'll reverse, whoops, that's backwards. You'll end up reversing your hot and cold, which is, you just take it out again and flip it. It's not a big deal, but so it's just something you want to pay attention to. So you'll stick your new one in, and you want this plastic part that comes up. So you see how there's that plastic part that comes up. Yours might not be plastic, but that should be kind of lining up with that notch there, because when the pin goes in, oh, and also don't drop the pin down the drain. When the pin goes in, it's gonna go alongside that. Keep this spout thing as far out as it goes and try to push in on that part. I'm going to use something to push on it. Hang on. Get it all the way in there. It's got to be all the way in or that pin won't go. Reinsert the pin all the way down. That goes back on. The dial goes back on. The screw goes back on. And then that cover goes back on. And then I'll turn the water back on and my repair's done. The cartridge in here costs about $30. You can, I mean, it might be more or less depending on the brand and model and all that you get. I saw this one also on Amazon for $15, but I needed it now, so I just got it at the hardware store. But that's it for the repair. So good luck.